They know my story.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. It's been a minute since I posted a video. That's because I've just been trying to deal with other stuff and I've been so busy, and I do have some more videos to post and stuff, but now I'm trying to get back into posting some more videos and trying to be a little bit more consistent. So in this video, I'm going to be doing the goddess braids for my client, and we're going to be using colors 27 mixed with colors 613, but more on the 613 side, if that makes sense. And that's the golden blonde and the platinum blonde mixed together. And I do have the link to the rat tail comb in my description box, as well as the magnetic wristband, and also the edge control as well. I use this edge control for my clients, for all my clients and for all the hairstyles basically. So now I'm just trying to create the parts for my clients, and when I'm done, I'm going to be talking more about what size I'm trying to do for my clients. So the lines look a little bit weird right now, but trust me, before I ever start braiding, I will go back to my camera and look. And if it looks crooked, then I'm going to go back and fix it. It might not look fixed to you right now, but I'm going to go back and fix it, and you're going to see what I'm talking about as soon as I start braiding. Okay, so I want to talk something about mixing hair. So for example, if you get a hair that is about 30 inches, and because for me, I use about between 28 to 30 inches for my clients for the waist length. So my waist length are usually pretty long. And when you start mixing them, it just kind of makes the hair longer, because you're just mixing them like not intertwined, but like you're mixing a paint, something like that. So we just makes the length way longer, and that's the reason why sometimes when I'm done with that, it might end up touching my clients, giving you butt length, but I'm trying to use a different hair when I'm mixing, so that I'm not out there doing way longer length for the same cost and stuff like that. Oh yeah, so now I'm going to start braiding, and also just watch this video to see how I turk in my client's hair. So first I applied my edge control just to make my client's hair come together. It's easier for you to tuck in your client's hair when the hair are together, just almost stiff but not stiff, basically, because the edge control makes them be together like a wax or something like that. And then you just start braid. I braid twice, and then I start fitting my client's hair in. And I'm going to be using the edge control some more, just to make sure that the darker hair is tucked in on that the blonde hair. So as I was saying, if you want to mix hair for your client and you want to give your client a waist length, I would say use the inches 26, and then maybe when you're done mixing, it might just go up to 28 or 30, or use inches 24, and then you might end up getting 26 or 28. In that case, you're not stressing over because mixing can take a long time, like basically an hour to mix and prep, between an hour to 2 hours to mix and prep, and then you have to give your client a longer hair, which was not really the choice, but since you already mixed here, it just makes everything way longer and just stressful basically. I don't charge extra to mix. I don't know if I should, but for now, I'm fine with my clients wanting to mix the hair, and I don't get mixed clients every day, so I'm okay with just how things are going so far, but I don't know if things are going to change in the future. As you can see right now, I'm trying to tuck in my client's natural hair under her blonde locks. And to do that, I'm going to apply edge control just to make it a little bit smoother and even stiffer. And that way, when I'm braiding it, I don't have the dark hair everywhere. As soon as you're done with this part, everything else becomes very easy. You just braid and you're just fine. If you don't apply the edge control, you might still be able to tuck it in, but just maybe even harder. That's the reason why I only use my edge control during the first few braids from the roots, and then after that we're just good to go. I already applied my curly hair, and I'm going to be hanging one piece of the curly hair. Sorry guys, I'm not home right now, but I'm going to be applying one piece of the curly hair over my client's ponytail, just to help me hold it, and then I am just going to keep braiding, and at some point I'm going to take out the rest of the curly hair and then finish braiding. I don't leave the curly stuff at the end. I just let them flow all through. Leaving them at the end makes the braids way longer because the curls do extend, do make your braids look longer, especially when you end up doing like curly ends and stuff like that. So that's the reason why I don't do it all the way to the ends. Only if my client tells me they want ends and then in between, then I will do that for them, which would of course be more than what they booked for, or just more in general, because it takes more time. Doing this part alone takes more time. So now if you want this and then curly ends, then it's just, a little bit more time as well. So now I'm just gonna keep braiding. I'm gonna also like dab with my edge control just to help me braid like smoothly and stuff like that. And then just braid and then hang up the rest of the blonde that you're going to see me hang up soon. Just anywhere, it could be there, could be around your braids. Yeah, so that's why goddess braids are usually like hard to do because of all this stuff that you have to think of, or just try to make it work. And then I'm just gonna keep braiding and that'll be all. For this one, I don't have to dip it in hot water. People usually tell me to just put the flexi rod over the curls and then dip them. I mean, it's nice. I just use the hair modes. Maybe when I get my hair steam, I would just steam everything. But for right now, I don't see the point of dipping them in hot water because I use a very nice hair. The hair is not stiff at all. And then using the mousse just makes everything smooth. And mousse is supposed to like make your curls pop and stuff like that. And also makes everything looks nicer. So I just use the hair mousse and that's about it. Anyways, that'll be all for my video. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. And yes, for this style, I did do the medium size, as you can see. And yeah, I used the Ruwa Braiding hair as well, RUWA 30 inches braiding hair as well for my clients. Well, that'll be all for now. Let me know if you have any questions. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. And also, I'm going to try to be more consistent. Thank you.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Feet Kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what I say?
Standard. man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Original bad
Then
man.
a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no, 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 no.
Then a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say yeah,
Then a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Original bad man.
Then a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man I tell her me she gone low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man I tell her me she gone low. Bad man I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
no, 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 no.
Then a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say yeah,
Then a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really
just say
got.
no, 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 no.
Then a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
Then
yeah,
a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original bad
Bad man,
man.
turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the
It's
vibe.
fake hills.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
It's fake hills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, see me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, them I make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them I watch it. They are pretty bad man too. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original. The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no.
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Aye, countdown, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me all